Okay, so hello everyone. I am again back with the one more example of Python programming. So this time again, I am focusing actually on comprehension. So basically, I will start with the list comprehension, but not for the basic program. Actually, it is done. So now, if it is list comprehension for nested loops, okay. So how we can write? So first of all, let's say for example, we have L1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then we have L2 equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6. And now I will write the main line, that is the comprehension line. Suppose I want to store my final answer in the result variable, so result equal to. Now as I'm going to start with the list comprehension, so obviously I'm going to use the square brackets. And as I said, it is a nested loops. So for x in L1, that is the first one. Then again space for y in L2. So that is all about nested loops. And what exactly I want to store? I just want to store only the value of x and y. So before the first, this you can say first for loop, I will write in the bracket x comma y. So for every iterable, it will store x also and y also in the result. Okay, and then I will write at the end print, and obviously we are interested in printing our answer and which is stored in which variable result. And I will just save this program and then execute. See, we are getting the answer. 1 with 4, 1 with 5, 1 with 6. Then 2 with 4, 2 with 5, 2 with 6. Then 3 with 4, 3 with 5, 3. And your square bracket you all can see. Now let us do some minor modification in the same program actually. Let's say for example, instead of square bracket, we have curly brackets. Okay, and then control S and then F5. See here, we are getting the answer, but we are getting in any order because of this set. Obviously, we get answer of set in always random order. Same way, suppose if I change the bracket to round bracket, that is tuples, but as I said, it is not supported. But let's see what answer we are getting. See, we are not getting any answer, but we are getting one thing, that is not even error message also, but we are getting one thing, that is generator object at some memory location or some address. So how to print? So basically what we can do is we can write one more for loop outside of this for I, or you can say that v in, and we have our answer stored in result. So v in result, and then we can write print result. So let's see now if we are getting answer or not. See, it is showing again generator object, because as you can see, I have used result. So in result, it will be like we have stored, it is all about generator only. So to display the answer, instead of print result, we have to write print v. See, we are getting the answer. So that is all about list comprehension, or you can say that set comprehension, or you can say that tuples also, but that is actually for nested loop. So in my next video, what I will do, like a comprehension with multiple if condition. Okay, so one program based on that, and also then in the next program, what I will do, that if we have a if condition also in the the else condition, then how we can execute using the comprehension technique. So, okay, so thank you everyone.